iCenter. Visible data, optimized assets. Managing a diagnostic department is always a challenge. But when you don't know what your imaging assets are doing, equipment isn't ready when needed, uptime is not optimized, waiting time creates lower throughput, and rescheduling becomes complex, all of which leads to decreased productivity, patient dissatisfaction, and staff frustration. And a challenging situation becomes downright unmanageable. To address these concerns, team members search for ways to optimize their workflow. They try to find information on equipment usage, contract coverage, maintenance schedules, and try to determine whether they need to purchase more equipment. But without the right data, they can't make informed decisions. The need for imaging services is growing dramatically, resulting in significant opportunities for healthcare providers. But as unplanned downtime, idle equipment, imaging delays, and other problems add up, so too does the total cost of equipment ownership. And as costs go up, down goes productivity and profitability. But the problem isn't with the equipment. It's a lack of information about the equipment. If only there was a tool to easily manage imaging equipment, something that could track uptime, monitor maintenance needs, report on CT, MR, ultrasound, and X-ray equipment, all within a single dashboard. iCenter is a secure, cloud-based online tool that provides visibility to asset operational and asset utilization data with 24/7 access. It helps make asset management easier by providing data insights that help you make informed decisions to better manage your imaging and biomedical equipment. It helps improve operational performance, optimize patient flow, and maintain compliance standards. Ultimately, this can improve the quality of patient care and reduce patient wait time. It can also increase staff productivity and optimize asset uptime and utilization. With iCenter, you can submit and track service requests online, view planned maintenance schedules, get electronic service reports, download inventory and maintenance data, access usage reports, and manage service contracts, all of which leads to asset optimization and increased patient and staff satisfaction, and a better return on investment. iCenter was created in consultation with biomedical engineers and diagnostic department leaders from health systems around the world. As of 2017, iCenter has been adopted worldwide in 71 countries, has 13,000 active users, and 150,000 connected machines. It features a flexible and intuitive user interface and covers the full spectrum of imaging devices and equipment, including detailed analytics reports that enable smarter decision-making and more satisfied patients and staff. iCenter. When you know what your diagnostic equipment is doing, you can see a more efficient, more productive future.